In the previous session, we had first 5 interview questions discussed, and now we are going to take it to the next level. We will understand the next set of 5 important questions and the answers will be given for the same. Let's go with the first question. What is syntactic analysis? Give an example. We are actually familiar with this term. We call it parsing. It is the process of analyzing the structure of a sentence according to the rules that you have framed with grammar. To make it simple, it is nothing but you analyze structure of a sentence based on the rules. It helps to determine how words are related and structured. We'll take a simple example. The cat sits on the mat. So for this, when we go for syntactic analysis, we would get it identified as the cat as the subject, sits as the verb, on the mat as prepositional phrase. So we get a clear understanding and it helps you to determine how the words are related and structured. That is called syntactic analysis. Now when we get into semantic analysis, what is it? We need an example for it. It is the process of understanding the meaning and interpretation of words and sentences in context. I repeat, it is the process of understanding the meaning and interpretation of words and sentences in context. This is all about context and it goes beyond just the syntax to grasp the intended message. For an instance, the bank is by the river. This is the sentence we are considering right now. When we go ahead with semantic analysis, it helps us to understand and determine the bank refers to the side of the river and not financial institution. This is very, very important. Now, what is the regular expression? Give an example. It is often referred as regex. They are the sequence of characters that define a search pattern. They are used for pattern matching within the text, allowing you to find and manipulate strings based on specific rules. We will take a simple example. We want to find all the email addresses in a given input text. And there we have to use the regex pattern as you can see in front of you. A to Z, capital letters and small letters, 0 to 9, followed by the symbols, and email address will have an at, followed by that again set of characters and dot, followed by that again set of characters. This will help you in matching the email address. This pattern checks for sequences of characters that fit the typical structure of an email ID. Now what is the NLU? This is a very important question. The NLU is natural language understanding. It focuses on the ability of the computers to comprehend and to interpret human language in a way that it is very meaningful. It is involving tasks which include analyzing the meaning of the sentence, extracting the relevant information, understanding the intent behind the text or the speech. We'll go by a very simple example. You are asking a question to your Google Assistant or Siri, how is the weather today? This involves NLU typically and it will enable your Google Assistant or Siri to understand your question, analyze and provide the relevant information about the weather after retrieving the same. So this is NLU for you. And what is NLG? Natural language generation. It is the process by which computers generate meaningful natural language text or speech from structured data or information. Natural language generation involves transforming data into sentences with coherence or paragraphs which can convey information in a very human-like manner. It is to be meaningful, it is to be human-like. We can use it in applications which include automated report generation, chatbots responding with natural language, summarizing information from the databases, or sensor data into readable format. I am going to get a very simple example for you. The energy system can generate a natural language description like, tomorrow expect partly cloudy skies with 75 degrees Fahrenheit. There will be a light breeze from the southwest at 10 miles per hour. The chance of rain is minimal. This is generated by energy engine. So natural language generation. It is based on the structured data. It generates the output and the output is understandable. It is coherent. It conveys the meaning which you and I can understand. That's called energy. We have done the first 10 questions and I will come back with the next set of 5 questions shortly in the next session. Thank you.